And now we have our app of the week to close the episode. And this week, Austin demonstrates Eyecan. You might remember we had two developers from Eyecan on a couple of weeks ago. So over to you, Austin.
This is the demo of the app called Eyecan, Eyecan. Some weeks back, we had Nimesh and Surendra on the podcast for an interview. They are the founder developers of Eyecan. Eyecan is an app that is like an all-in-one toolbox. It has things for reading text, scanning, navigation, scene detection, and lots of other features will be added in the future. The app is still in beta, so you can install the app and give the feedback to the developers. The link will be in the show notes. The app is free. However, you can contact the developer and donate to support the project. So let us open the app and see how it is.
I can. Sound settings. Please provide your phone number. Phone number, edit box.
Now it
Accessibility
asks for a
volume set to
phone number
100%.
because you can ask the developers to call you back, and it will become easy for them once you provide them with your phone number. It is optional. You can click on cancel.
Cancel. I can. Read expandable list.
Now
Rivabilia
here
one,
are
hashtag.
all of
I
the
can.
expandable lists.
Read expandable.
Let's
Read
click on
expandable
read.
list. Expanded. Scan text.
And I have here a mic phone box, and I'm going to click on scan text. It's in a very low lit room, not adequately lit. I mean, there is light, but let's see how it does.
Scan. Navigate up. Scan. Chat with us. Copy button. Share but history button. Capture button.
It plays a music when it is capturing things.
Name of the com description. Mayon lead quantity. Micri RP. 2,499 rupees LPN high data 11 9,412 month and year of IMU factored by. No technology and imported by. Aparios 405 LGF Greater Customer Service Help 5th and 6th floor, 1 Saab Bangalore 560001, PH do not. This prod needs to be to recycle. I log on tape E call up E write to for more INF. Please visit wtechwedord at mauno.com. OMIL 10 CE Rose compliant made in China.
So there you go. It read the text. I was not holding the box correctly, and the light also is not adequate. Now, when you capture something, it plays a music. I don't know if Zoom
Navigation
is
box.
capturing it or
Like
no.
it. We are currently in beta and we want as
And
much input from you as much.
although, yes, I would recommend you to give feedback, but whenever you hit back after performing any feature, it asks for feedback. And that is a little, I mean, it's little, what do you call, it can ask for a feedback maybe once a day or once a week or something like that, or there should be a give feedback button on the UI, but asking feedback after every feature is a little
Feedback button.
maybe annoying.
Cancel button.
As
Cancel.
I don't know what to say, but I'll
Scan.
give the
Capture
feedback
button.
later. So there is capture.
History button.
You can read the history of all the text that you have scanned.
Share button.
There's share. You can share it with someone.
Copy button.
You can copy it, and then you can
Chat with us.
also chat with the developers. So let's go back.
Navigation. I can. Scan text. Read PDF.
So you can scan text, read PDF, read image that you have already scanned.
Maps expandable list.
And let's open up maps now.
Maps expandable list. Expanded. Nearby. Search look. My current location. Maps expandable. My current
The
location.
first option is my current location.
64RW plus H72. Syndicate. Kalyan. Maharashtra 421,301. India.
So it gave, I don't know what the name of the street. That is not the street name that I'm on currently. And please excuse me for the background noise if there is any.
Nearby places.
So you can go to nearby places.
Maps. Navigate up. Button.
And there are a lot of categories of places. Now, what I have seen, and this may differ from site to site or from place to place, is that a lot of work has to be done in the navigation field, at least in the maps segment of this app. I'll show you what I mean by this. If you click on nearby places,
Maps. Chat with us. Search any voice search. Search any
you
location.
can
Edit
search
box.
location, which
Voice
is
search
good.
button.
You can do voice search, which is also
Get
good.
current location button.
You can get current location, which we just did.
Services. Double tap to expand.
Now
Services.
services. Now these are all list items, and you double tap to expand them.
Shopping. Double. Services. Double.
I double tapped and it didn't give me any feedback to say whether the list is expanded or collapsed. But if I scroll down,
Bank.
I can see the list of services, so I can know that the list is expanded. Let me go to bank.
Nearby places. Near. Check. Mobile Square. Kellyan Book Depot Shop number 1. Rock Mall
And
Tower.
come
Sandwich
on, this
Mana
is
Road,
not a
next to
bank.
Kotak
This is
Mahindra
a
Bank. Rambagh. Kellyan
book
1.20
depot shop. I
kilometers.
know it's next to a bank, but
Mobile Square Shop number 6. 7 Sai Gaurav Building Sai Chowk opposite Sai Baba Mandir. Kellyan West.
I don't know.
Firstbuy.com store.
It
Hasnagar
should
near.
have given me banks
Navigation.
and not
Like it.
stores.
We are currently in beta.
And there
Mark.
again,
Feedback
the
button.
feedback requesting,
Cancel.
cancel.
Nearby places. Chocolate box dealer. DMart. Navigation bar.
So these are shops, these are not
Maps.
banks, and I
Bank.
clicked on bank.
ATM.
So a lot of work needs to be done in the navigation segment of the
Hotel. Parking.
app.
Saloons. Shopping. Double tap to
These
expand.
are list of
Shopping.
services, and these are shopping.
Malls. Groceries. Clothing. Electronics. Home and garden. Beauty supplies. Food and drink. Double tap to expand.
Food and drink. This is interesting.
Takeaway. Restaurants. Delivery. Bars.
So let's see what is here.
Nearby places. Navigate.
I
Nearby.
clicked on
Chat with
bars,
us. Kellyan Book. Kellyan Book Depot Shop
and
number
it
1.
is giving
Raj
me
Mall
the
Tower.
same
Mobile Square Shop
um,
number 6.
thing.
Navigation.
So yes, this feature does not
Maps.
work
Bars.
currently. It
Navigation bar.
needs some
Button.
work to be
Eyecan.
done.
Nearby places.
So this is the nearby places feature.
Search location. More op. Eyecan. Read expandable list. Maps. My current location. Maps expand.
Let's collapse this.
Surroundings expandable list.
Let's expand surroundings, which
Surroundings
is not
expandable list.
a
Expanded.
part of maps, which
Describe
is a
scene.
different list. Now, one more thing I want to show you, which was at least very, very accurate when I used this feature once. I'm going to click on describe scene.
Find out. Describe. This feature is experimental. You may find bugs.
Okay, so it
Description
tells
activity.
us that.
Navigate up. Capture button.
And let me capture. And it plays this music, the same music as the scan text. I don't know how well this is being captured or how well is it
In this
sounding.
image, an open laptop computer sitting on top of a bed.
So absolutely brilliant, absolutely accurate. An open laptop sitting on a bed is what it's saying. This is fantastic. So yes, in some fields, this app is really, really great, but some fields the work has to be done, and do understand it's in beta. So there will be bugs. And yesterday when I tried this feature, it was not working. Let me see if this feature works today.
Click to add image. System UI.
Let me go back.
Eyecan. Describe scene. Find objects.
You can find objects.
Eyecan. Feedback.
I have never
Capture.
been able
Start
to
live.
use this
Capture
feature.
button.
Let me capture.
Please wait. Please floor.
Okay, so it told me it's a floor, but it's a wall.
Start
I mean,
live
it's
button.
close, but let's see.
Wait. Please wait. Please wait. Output device. Material property.
Okay, so it's
Personal computer. Wood. Floor.
it is capturing things,
Flooring.
and as I'm moving my phone, it is
Fixture.
describing everything.
Floor. Flooring. Wood. Gesture. Sky. Gesture. Material property. Material property.
I don't know what material property
Tints and
means,
shades.
but
Textile. Material property.
let's see what happens if I do
Flooring.
this.
Nose. Face. Nose. 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 Hair.
Wow, so this is really
Forehead.
accurate.
Shoulder. Natural material. Beige. Neck. Human body.
Human body. Wow.
Cheek.
That is really accurate
Amber.
in features.
Go
There
back.
is a
Button.
little slight, very slight delay, but it's dead on accurate. So I must say, in scene description, in object finding, this app really
Times of India. Delhi.
shines.
Find objects offline. More options.
You
Find
can
objects
find
offline.
objects offline also. So if you're in a sensitive location, you don't want to give internet access or something, then you can do that
More
offline
options. Expandable
also.
list.
We have more options,
More
expandable
options.
list,
Expandable list. Exit.
and there is exit only
I can.
here.
Read expandable list. Exit.
That is it for this demo. This concludes the demo of the Eyecan app. Please install the app from the Play Store. We'll be having link in the show notes. Check out the interview. The links to that interview will be in the show notes and in the video description of YouTube. And what do I think of the app? Overall, I am just blown away with the scene description and object finding capabilities of this app. But I think this app needs to do a lot of work in the navigation field, and then this can be an overall best toolbox app. But it is getting there. And just to summarize the interview, I like the ambition of the developers of the app. So that is it from the demo.
And what do you think of Eyecan, Austin? Where do you think it sort of ranks in these sorts of apps that are available to us?
So you must have seen the demo. And in the demo, when I was doing the object finding or the scene description, the Eyecan app was dead on accurate, even in low light conditions, in describing the scene. So the app is still developing. It is still in beta. They are still adding features. But what they are doing currently, at least in terms of object detection and all, is really fantastic. That is 100% accurate scene detection or description of Eyecan.
Now, I was impressed with the developers' ambition when we interviewed them and how far they'd got and the things they want to achieve. So definitely a project to keep an eye on, I think.
I'm particularly happy to see them coming along, and it's a great app. Really, people should give it a shot.